Do you want to see how you can get paid instantly by taking surveys on HeyPiggy and also see payment proof? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different paid service sites, and I have also tested this platform for quite a while and also made a video about it before, but since then a lot has happened. There's been a lot of updates, so therefore I wanted to give you an updated HeyPiggy review. I wanted to give you an inside look again, and I will also show you exactly how to withdraw, because many of you have also asked for payment proof. So I will show all that in this video so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join HeyPiggy, and as all other service sites that are legit, it is of course free to join, and you can join from many different countries, but no doubt that it has the most opportunities if you live in the US, but there are also many other countries where you can find quite a lot of paid surveys. For example, if you live in Australia, UK, Germany, Canada, France, Spain, Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark, Mexico, South Korea, Finland, and quite a few more. So there are many countries you can join from and find a lot of service here. And you can also see on the website, it also has the website in different languages even. And I've also asked them about this, and they are actually also expanding to more countries and including more languages here. So that makes it more user-friendly, that you can actually choose your preferred language here and get all the information there. And also they do have an app for both iOS and Android devices, so you can also take service on the go or on the website, just to make that clear also. But let me now log in, and then we'll go over exactly how it works, and I will also show you payment proof, and then we'll talk about the overall earning potential also. So I have now logged into HeyPiggy, and what I really like about it is that it is very easy to use and very user-friendly. You just come in here and then you see all the available surveys. And right now it's showing in my local currency here, but it will also show in your local currency depending on where you are located. But you can easily see, for example, this is 4 minutes. This would be like, like $1.50. So again, 5 minutes there, you see 5 minutes here again, $1.50 or so. This one just below $1 there. So some of them pay very well, others not that much. But overall, again, I've tested hundreds of different service sites, and the rates you get here on HeyPiggy are in general definitely above average. They pay quite well for a service site for many of the surveys here. And of course you will not qualify for all surveys, that is just how it is. But one very unique thing about HeyPiggy that I really like, that I haven't seen on any other sites, is that you can see they have this green badge for some of the surveys, and that means that you are guaranteed to qualify for the ones that has these green badges. And when you first join, you will likely not see any, or not many at least, but as you take surveys, they will have more data, and they will use that to then qualify you for different surveys. So the more active you are, the more of these surveys you will get there. So there's an extremely high chance of actually qualifying for the ones with the green badge. And I really do like that system, because that can take some of the frustrations out of not qualifying sometimes for surveys. And as you can also see, it has a good number of surveys. New ones are added daily, and of course exactly how many you will have available and how much you'll get per survey, that depends on the country you live in. That's how it always is with paid service, but overall the rates here are definitely good. And also, sometimes you actually even get a small bonus when you do not qualify for a survey. Not many service sites offer that. In my experience, it's somewhere between 1 and 5 cents. It's not for all surveys, so just so you're aware of that, but for some of the surveys, you do get that. And it's always nice to get an extra bonus when you do not qualify. So that's definitely great. But let's now then talk about how you can actually get paid. I'll show you also how to withdraw, and I'll show you payment proof, and then we can talk about the overall earning potential. So at the top you can see your chosen reward, but you can just go in here to actually change it. You can see how much you've earned. Again, this is in my local currency. But I can just go in here and change it so we can look a little bit more into what you have. And you can see, for example, PayPal and a lot of different gift cards. The exact gift cards, the exact rewards will depend on your country. For example, in the US, you can not only get paid in cash via PayPal, you can actually also get paid via bank transfer and Venmo. And then PayPal is available in most countries, and then you have gift cards that are relevant for your specific location. And in some countries, for some of the rewards, you only need to earn $1 or €1 or £1 depending on where you're located to actually redeem. So it's a very low payout threshold for certain payout methods there. You can see, for example, here, this for me here, that's, you know, like $1 also for some of the gift cards there. For PayPal, you can see right now I have enough to take out what is equivalent of around $30. So that is what I will choose here. You see, then we come back here. It has chosen that. And then I can just click here to redeem. And you also can see there's a user level. And if you just keep being active, you will move up the user levels. There are like different bonuses for that. And also you will become like a trusted user. And once you've done that, you will actually get paid instantly. So you just keep being active and then you will qualify for that. So I can then just click here to redeem. And then, of course, my email here has been blurred out, but what I just need to then say is that yes, I confirm that I want to redeem this, and then you can see then I can just click here to redeem it again. It has already been sent, and I will just click, and then a new screen opens up. And you see, I already have the voucher. The new screen opens up immediately. Again, this is worth around $30, and then I just need to redeem it here. And then you just choose your PayPal email account there, confirm that, and then click to transfer that $30 into your PayPal account. And then you can see you have redeemed it, and the money will be transferred into your PayPal account. It just goes over to this platform here that is actually processing the payments on HeyPiggy's behalf there. And you can see they actually process it immediately once you have been verified as a trusted user. So I will also leave the screenshot here from PayPal so you can see the money did go into my account there. And I love how you don't even have to wait to go here and redeem it. You just do it all and then you just wait and the money goes into your PayPal account super fast. But let's talk about the overall earning potential also. So as you can see, HeyPiggy definitely pays, but how much can you then overall earn? Well, that's of course depends on, first of all, the country you live in and also how much time and effort you put into it. A service site in general is not something you can make a living from or that will make you rich or anything like that. But what I can say is that HeyPiggy pays well for the service you take here, and you can find a lot of service, and you can also see that when you just keep being active, there are more and more service that you know that you will more or less be guaranteed to qualify for, which definitely makes it more effective. It also has the app that makes it easy to just take service once in a while on the go, which is definitely also a way to boost your earnings. But I cannot say like an exact amount, like how much can you earn per month, because it depends on so many different things. Like for some people in some countries, on some days, maybe you'll be able to earn 5, 10, maybe a little bit more dollars just by taking surveys here. On other days, there will be, maybe $5. It again depends on the exact surveys, and there are periods of the year where there will be more service than in others. So in general, it can be a great way to earn some extra cash on the side, but you should of course not expect to be able to make a living from it. But out of all the service sites that I've tested, it's definitely one that is one of the more effective ways to earn by taking surveys. So to sum it all up, I think HeyPiggy is a great paid service site for several reasons. It's very easy to use, it pays well for the service compared to many other service sites, it has great payout methods, a low payout threshold, and it processes the payments more or less immediately once you have just become a verified and trusted user. So overall, if you're looking for a way to earn some extra money by taking paid surveys, sharing your opinion, then this is definitely one of the good options in my opinion. If you want to join, I'll leave a joining link below so you can go there and easily sign up and get started. If you prefer reading also, then I do have a full written HeyPiggy review. I'll also leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. And if this video helped you, also make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.